Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix the Frigidaire Gallery Dishwasher ER code, meaning Diagnostic and Reset Guide. The fix one, you can reset the dishwasher. Turn off the dishwasher, unplug it from the power outlet or turn off the circuit breaker. Then wait for 5 minutes and plug it back in and turn it on. Fix 2, check the door latch. Open the dishwasher door, inspect the door latch for frost, damage or dirt. Then close the door firmly until you hear a click and start a new cycle. The fix 3, inspect wiring connections. Turn off power at the breaker. Remove the lower front panel if accessible. Check for loose or disconnect wires going to the control board and reconnect any loose wires securely. And the final fix, you can check the control board. Disconnect power completely. Open the control panel area, top or for the door. Look for burnt mark or damaged part on the control board and replace the control board if it looked damaged. Goodbye.